Hello friends, welcome to Agri and GK lesson. In this video, we are dealing with the important points of sugarcane cultivation. Planting time of Suru or Eksali sugarcane in the months of January to February, and the duration of Suru or Eksali sugarcane is up to 1 year. Adsali sugarcane is planted in the months of June to July, and the duration of Adsali sugarcane is up to 15 to 18 months. Planting of autumn or pre-seasonal sugarcane is done in the months of September to October, and the duration of autumn sugarcane or pre-seasonal sugarcane is up to 10 to 11 months. Seed rate of sugarcane over a medium soil is about 36,000 of seeds, which is 1 to 2 I-budded for an hectare area. And over heavy soil, we require 27,000 of seed, which is 1 to 2 I-budded seeds for an cultivation over an hectare area. Planting distance of sugarcane on medium soil by double row planting method. The double row are spaced at a distance of 90 cm row to row, and on heavy soil the double row planting is spaced at a distance of 130 cm row to row. Recommended dose of fertilizer for Suru or Eksali sugarcane is 250 as 115 as 115 NPK kg per hectare. Next, in pre-seasonal or autumn sugarcane, the RDF is 300 as 170 as 170 NPK kg per hectare. The RDF in sugarcane is applied in the splits for nutrient management. First split of sugarcane, application of 10% nitrogen, 50% phosphorus and 50% potassium at the time of planting. Second split has the application of 40% nitrogen at the time 6 weeks after planting. And third split is of 10% nitrogen at 12 weeks after the planting. And the last split, that is the fourth split, has 40% nitrogen, 50% phosphorus and 50% potassium at 18 to 20 weeks after the planting. Weed management in sugarcane. Pre-seasonal herbicide, that is atrazine, is used to control the weeds at the rate 2.5 kg active ingredients in 500 liters of water. And post-emergence herbicide used in sugarcane is 240 nitrogen sodium salt at the rate 1 kg active ingredient per hectare dissolved in 500 liters of water. Improved varieties of sugarcane are Vasant, Mahalakshmi, Phule Savitri, Phule 265, Panchganga, Sharad, MS 10001. Yield of sugarcane. The average yield of sugarcane is ranges between 130 to 150 tons per hectare. Thanks for your patience. Thank you.